With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question on trigonometry. So here in this question we need to find the value of the following given expressions. So here we are given the two expressions, and in the first expression we are given to evaluate the value of the sine pi by 10 plus the sine 13 pi by 10. So we need to first find the value of this expression. So we are going to focus on this first part first. So let us note this down here. So here we have the first part, and in this first part we are given to find the value of the sine pi by 10 plus here we have the sine 13 pi by 10 like this. So for solving this we are going to write it like the sine pi by 10 remains as it is, and now instead of this sine 13 pi by 10 we are going to write the sine of pi plus here we have the 3 pi by 10 like this. So if we take the LCM again, then we get the 10 pi plus 3 pi, that is the 13 pi by 10. So we can cross verify it. It comes out to be sine 13 pi by 10. So it is same as that was given in the question. So here we have got this result. Now if we solve this ahead, then we are going to get the sine of pi by 10 here, and here we have the plus. Now we are going to use one property of the trigonometry. We know that the sine of pi plus theta, that is the sine of 180 plus theta, is equivalent to the minus sine theta. So by using this property, let us say that this is the first property. So by using this first property, we have the sine of pi plus 3 pi by 10 would be equal to the minus sine of 3 pi by 10. So here instead of plus, we are going to get the minus of sine 3 pi by 10 by using the first property. So we have got this result. Now we are again going to use one more property of trigonometry. We know that the sine 3 theta formula, the sine 3 theta is given by the 3 sine theta minus 4 times of sine cube theta. So let us say that this is the result 2. So by using this result 2, we are going to get here, we are going to retain the sine of pi by 10 as it is. So it remains as it is, minus here we have the sine of 3 times of pi by 10. So here theta is pi by 10. So we will get the 3 times of sine theta, that is the sine of pi by 10. And here we have the minus 4 times of sine cube theta, that is the sine of pi by 10 cube here like this. So here we have got this result. Now if we solve this ahead, then we get here we have the sine pi by 10, and here we have the minus 3 sine pi by 10. So it would be the minus 2 sine pi by 10. So here we have the minus 2 times of sine pi by 10 like this, and here we have the minus minus plus times of 4 sine cube pi by 10. So here we have got everything in terms of sine pi by 10. Now for solving this, we are going to get the 2 times of sine pi by 10 common outside. So if we do that, then here we get, if we take, or rather we take the minus twice of sine pi by 10. So if we take the minus twice of sine pi by 10 common outside, then inside the parenthesis we are left with, here in place of this thing we are left with the 1, and here we are left with the minus twice of sine square pi by 10. So here we have the minus sine square pi by 10, and here we also have the twice of this thing. So here we have got this result. Now for solving this question ahead, we are going to consider the value of the sine pi by 10 because it is reoccurring again and again. So we know that the sine of pi by 10, the sine of pi by 10 would be equals to, here we have the pi is 180, so it would be the 180 by 10, that is the 18. So we have the sine of 18 degrees here. So here we have the sine of 18 degrees, and we know the value of the sine of 18 degrees, that is the under root of 5 minus 1 by 4. So we are going to use this third result again. So if we use this third result here in this expression, then we get, here we have the minus twice of sine of pi by 10 outside. So here we have the sine of pi by 10 and the sine of pi by 10, that is sine 18 is this. So here we have the under root of 5 minus 1 by 4 like this, and this is multiplied with, here we have the 1 minus twice of sine square pi by 10. So here we have the twice of sine square pi by 10, and now we are going to calculate the value of the sine square pi by 10. So from this if we square this thing, so from this third equation we get the value of the sine square pi by 10, and that would be equals to the under root of 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, like this. So if we solve this, then we get the under root 5 square, that is the 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5, by using the a minus b whole square identity, and in the denominator we get the 16. So if we solve this, then we get the 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16, that is, if we divide by 2 in both numerator and denominator, then we get the 3 minus under root 5 whole divided by 8. So this is the value of the sine square pi by 10. So if we substitute this here, then in place of this thing we get the 3 minus under root 5 by 8, like this. So this is what we have got on solving this further. So we are again going to solve this. So this 2 goes off with this 4, and here this 2 goes off with this 8, like this. So on solving this, we have the minus sign in front of this thing, so when it multiplies with this under root 5 minus 1, then we get the 1 minus under root 5 whole divided by 2, like this, and that would be multiplied with, here if we take the LCM, then we get the 4, and here we have the minus sign, so that would be the minus 3 plus under root 5 whole divided by 4 in the denominator. So now if we solve this ahead, then we get this expression as the 1 minus under root 5 whole divided by 2 times of, here we have the 4 minus 3, that is 1. So here we have the 1 plus under root 5 whole divided by 4, like this. Now here in the numerator we have the a minus b into a plus b kind of identity, that is given by the a square minus b square. So that is the 1 square, that is 1 minus under root 5 square, that is 5 whole divided by the 4 to the 8. So if we solve this, then we get the minus 4 by 8, and that is equals to minus half. So in the question they have asked us to find the value of this given expression. So here we have got the value of this given expression as a minus half. So this is the solution for the first part of the question asked above. Now we are going to focus on the second part of the question. So here in the second part of the question they are asking about the value of the cos square 48 degrees minus the sine square 12 degrees. So now we are going to consider it below. So if we consider that, then here we have in the second part, here we have the second part, and in this we are given to find the value of the cos square 48 degrees. So here we have the cos square 48 degrees minus, here we have the sine square 12 degrees. So here we are having the sine square 12 degrees, like this. Now for solving this question, we are again going to use one more trigonometric identity. We know that the cos square a minus the sine square b is given by the cosine of a plus b times of the cosine of a minus b. So this is the identity we are going to use here. So let us say that if this is the fourth equation, then by using this fourth equation we are going to find this value. So here we have, if we apply this thing here in this given question, that is the part b, then we get the cosine of a plus b, and the a plus b would be the 48 plus 12. So here we have the 48 plus 12 whole multiplied by the cosine of a minus b, that is the cosine of 48 minus 12. So here we have the 48 minus 12, like this. So if we solve this ahead, then we get the cosine of, we know that the 48 plus 12 can be rewritten like the 60, because 48 plus 12 is 60. So here we have the cos 60 degrees multiplied by the cosine of, here we have the 48 minus 12, that would be 36 degrees. So here we have the 36 degrees, the cosine of 36 degrees. So here we have got this result. Now we know that the cos 60 is equals to half. So here we have the half of the cosine of 36 degrees. Now we are again going to use one more result. We know the value of the cos of 36 degrees. So the cos of 36 degrees is given by the under root 5 plus 1 by 4. So let us say that if this is the fifth result, then by using this fifth result we get the value of this expression as, here we have the half of the cos 36 degrees, that is the under root 5 plus 1 by 4. So if we solve this, then we get the under root 5 plus 1 by 8. So in the second part of the question they have asked us to find the value of this expression, and the value of this expression we have evaluated here as the under root 5 plus 1 whole divided by 8. So this is the solution for the second part of the question which was asked to us in the question above. So this is our solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.